Welcome to our informative Did You Know series. Did you know that when you subscribe to this TCL Industrial Segment YouTube channel, you will be updated regularly with all the latest information on concrete solutions, best practices, home construction projects, and even how to do videos. In addition to our Did You Know series? Did you know these safety tips to avoid accidents and injuries during construction? Did you know that we also supply aggregates? Did you know that Cemex manufactures its own line of admixtures? Did you know we manufacture many types of cement? Do you know that 96% of accidents are caused by unsafe acts, to only 3.5% produced by unsafe conditions? Did you know that we provide construction solutions for roads in over 60 countries, with free technical services available in Trinidad for the past 6 years? Thank you for your attention. You know that when you like and share our videos online, you can win cool prizes and merchandise? And do you know this is the end of the video, but you can click on the links for more and subscribe to our channel to stay informed.